Getting to know the ReBuilder foot pads and how to use them. When getting your ReBuilder foot pads, open up the package. You will find the instructional trifold pamphlet. Next, you will find the foot pads that can be removed from the package. You will also receive a bottle of the ReBuilder electrolyte that is not shown here. You will find the lead wire connected to the foot pads. Find the plug at the end that will be connected to your ReBuilder unit. The other ends of the lead wire are connected to each of the foot pads. Taking the ReBuilder electrolyte, spray each foot pad in the gray foot-shaped pattern 5 or 6 times or until they are dampened. More spray can be added if desired to enhance conductivity. When ready for treatment, position your feet on the foot pads and connect your ReBuilder unit. It doesn't matter which model is used. Refer to the instructions for treatment information. For symptoms severe in your toes, you can elevate the heel, leaving the toes in contact with each foot pad. And place a towel or pillow under your legs to make it more comfortable. The foot pads are not just for feet, they can be used to treat hands and arms. Please watch our other video for information on how they can be used for treatment. Please watch our other videos for using the ReBuilder with other treatment options and other accessories. Visit us online at rebuildermedical.com to shop for accessories and supplies. Or call us toll-free at 877-717-5487.